Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the RAM upgrade on your Dell Vostro 5000 series laptop, you'll need a few essential tools. Gather a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a soft cloth to keep your workspace clean. Make sure you choose compatible RAM modules for optimal performance. Start by powering off your laptop completely and disconnecting any peripherals. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial for your safety. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your hands or a plastic spudger to avoid scratching the surface. Now, locate the memory slots. You should see 1 or 2 RAM modules already installed. If you are upgrading, you may need to remove the existing RAM. To do this, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module away from it, and the module will spring up at an angle. Carefully pull it out and set it aside. If you are installing new RAM, align the notch on the RAM module with the slot and gently press down until the clips click into place. If you're unsure about the installation, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure everything is done correctly. After installing the RAM, take a moment to clean any dust inside the laptop using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal cooling and performance. Once everything is in place, reattach the back panel, ensuring that it fits snugly. Replace the screws in the same order you removed them for a secure fit. Now, reinsert the battery and connect your laptop to a power source. Power it on and enter the BIOS setup by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F2 or delete. Here, you can verify that the new RAM is recognized correctly. If you encounter any difficulties, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling or making calls for assistance. After confirming the RAM is recognized, exit the BIOS and allow your laptop to boot into the operating system. Once loaded, you can check the RAM settings in your system properties to ensure everything is functioning as intended. If at any point you feel uncertain about the process, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you upgrade your Dell Vostro 5000 series laptop smoothly and efficiently, ensuring you get the best performance out of your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.